Imagine having financial security without chasing millions. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people alive, follows surprisingly simple principles. Today, let's explore his mindset and strategies for achieving financial peace. Warren Buffett defines financial success not just by wealth, but by having a stable income, manageable debt, and adequate savings. Tyler Raymond, a wealth expert, emphasizes disciplined saving and intentional planning. This approach can be an achievable goal for all Americans. The first principle is knowledge. Buffett famously said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." Being informed about your investments is crucial. He only invests in businesses he understands thoroughly. This insight helps secure his financial future. Next is living below your means. Despite his billions, Buffett lives frugally. He still resides in the same modest home since 1958 and enjoys simple meals. Spending less than you earn empowers you to build a solid financial foundation. Buffett is known for being a value investor. He avoids chasing quick wins and prefers long-term growth. Financial security comes from consistent actions, such as regularly contributing to savings and investment accounts. The final principle is managing debt. Buffett advises avoiding debt whenever possible. Spending beyond your means can quickly erode financial security. Prioritize paying down any existing debt to maintain stability. In summary, Warren Buffett's approach to financial security revolves around education, frugality, long-term investing, and debt management. By following his principles, anyone can achieve a sense of financial freedom. Take the first step towards your financial security today. Start by assessing your spending habits, making informed investment choices, and focusing on debt reduction. Embrace these timeless lessons and build a secure financial future for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.